love as bright as ever, even in the shadows. Baby, kiss me before they turn the lights out. Your heart is glowing, and I'm crashing into you. Baby, kiss me before they turn the lights out. Before they turn the lights out. Baby, love me lights out.
Hello. So I don't really know how to start this video. I just know that it's taking a lot to do this video. I told myself that I was gonna be completely real about this journey and show everything, so here you go. So I just went to the doctor because the medicine I was taking was too strong, and it was making me more sicker. So I went to the doctor and got my medicine changed. And then she basically told me that all of my lab work came back normal, but the only option left was to check for tumors on the brain. Don't ask me why. It's just something about a tumor that can affect your body, can throw off your monthly and things like that. And it's just like sitting there getting my blood taken again. That's why I gave up the first time. I'm sorry. It's hard because it's just like I'm death scared of needles, but I do it because that's something that I want, and I feel like I'm in a battle against myself. Like, I know what I'm trying to do isn't healthy for me, but it's like I just want to prove myself wrong. And like, it just hurt worse because it feel like I'm in it alone. Like, when I tell somebody what I'm going through, I just don't get the reaction that you would expect to get from people who really care about you. And it's just like, why nobody like don't really care? Like, why is nobody scared? Like, I'm scared. It's just like people just do not, they just don't understand. No, nobody really understands how I really feel. Sorry. I feel bad because it's like I'm upset with my situation, but it's people out here that's really dying. It's it's babies that have cancer and stuff and just don't even understand what's wrong. It's like, who do I think I am to be upset about something so simple? And then on the other hand, it's like, how can I not get mad? How can I not be upset? It's people who don't even deserve to have what they have, and they just don't care. Like, they just don't care about it. They take it for granted. And I tell everybody all the time, like, don't take it for granted. Like, I know nobody likes a period or nobody likes to be in pain, but I would take that over just any day. It sucks not knowing what is wrong with you or not being able to find what's wrong. Taking medicine that you don't even think is working, but you take it because you know that that's like your best chance. Like, you know that's your only shot. It's just sorry. I didn't do this video for this. Like, I didn't do it to make anybody feel bad, like, or to get any type of like um feelings, I guess. I'm not here for anybody to feel sorry for me, because that is honestly what I don't need. I definitely don't need. It's just like, mm. All I know is my damn arm hurt. My arm hurts really bad. And And this reason alone is why I don't talk to people about what I go through. That's why I feel bad when I fucking talk about what I go through. Because it don't matter what the fuck I say, motherfuckers always turn it around on them. Bruh, what do you mean though? It kills me to hear somebody talk so down on their life and have nothing to complain about. Nothing. And it really kills me. I hate that. Y'all just do not understand. Oh my God. That's the shit I hate. It's like I attract the most selfish individuals in my life. You supposed to be my best friend, but you're gonna tell me that I don't get attention or my situation is unnoticed because I'm 20 and my sister is 15, so she deserves all the attention. When the fuck do you stop loving all of your kids? When the fuck do you stop caring about your child being sick? When the fuck do that happen? When the fuck do you not care? So it's an excuse not to fucking care? How is that an excuse? And for that reason alone is why I say I don't understand. I simply do not understand why. Like, why is it people like that that's entitled to have the most? Like, why? I just don't get it. I don't understand it. I just don't. That's exactly why I say to myself, exactly why a whole argument just got started. Because I called and said, I need to talk. And I'm telling you what's wrong with me. And the first thing out of your mouth is, you have a sister. I'm an only child. I wish I had a sister. I have nobody. But your mama damn near killed herself to make sure you have everything. Everything. And to this day, she still kills herself trying to figure out why you feel the way you feel. But